Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to a Ledger wallet in 2025. If you're all about keeping your digital assets secure, this is a must-know process. Ledger wallets are hardware devices that offer top-notch protection, so moving your coins there is a smart move to avoid hacks and keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow, even if you're new to crypto. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need a Coinbase account with some crypto in it, a Ledger device set up and connected to your computer or phone, and the Ledger Live app installed. Always double-check that your Ledger is properly synced to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on the website or app. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say it's Bitcoin. Click on it to go to the Assets page. Step 2. On the Asset page, look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll enter the destination address. Now, switch over to your Ledger device. Open the Ledger Live app, connect your Ledger via USB, and unlock it with your PIN. Navigate to the Accounts section in Ledger Live and select the wallet you want to receive the crypto into. Copy the wallet address displayed there. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste that Ledger wallet address into the To field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, and any network fees. Coinbase might ask you to confirm your identity or use two-factor authentication here, which is a good security step. Once you're sure, hit Send and confirm the transaction. After that, you'll have to wait for the transfer to process. Blockchain networks can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the crypto and network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see if the funds have arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to make sure everything works before sending larger amounts. Also, remember that fees can vary, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. If you run into any problems, Ledger and Coinbase both have helpful support resources. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'll be happy to help. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and we'll see you in the next video.